For today's video, I will be explaining the summary of the chapter 1, which is the exploring the network. Networking comprise not only in the design, construction, and the use of network, but also the management, maintenance, and operation of the network infrastructure, software, and policies. Networking enables data and endpoints to be connected in each other on a local area network, or what we call the LAN, or to a larger network, such as the Internet to the private wide area network, or what we call the LAN. This essential function for the service providers, businesses, and consumers worldwide to share resources, use or offer services, and communicate. Networking facilitates everything from telephone calls to text messaging to streaming video to the Internet of Things. Network today. Network in our daily lives. Network is very important today, especially in our daily lives, because we tend to communicate with each other by the use of technology then and now. As times moves forward, everything around us changes. We have become a generation almost entirely dependent on technology, and it goes without saying that things were done very differently decades ago than they are now. But as much as some people like to say our reliance on a technology hinders us, we can't deny that it's made life a lot of simpler. Networks support the way we learn. Today, we use the PowerPoint for us to learn, especially in school. Most of the time, the teachers uses PowerPoint for us to learn something about the subject, and network supports the way we communicate. Communication is important part of the human's life. Nowadays, technology evolves rapidly and communication becomes more easy than before. The effects of modern technology on how we communicate with one another are vast and varied, with both negative and positive impacts for our businesses and personal lives. Modern technology is drastically improved the speed and reduce the time we communicate. Network support the way we play. So nowadays, most of the games we tend to play uses internet, and that's how the network grows more and more. And device. The network device that people are most familiar with are called end device. This device form the interface between the human network and the underlying communication network. The example of end devices are computer, laptop, and printer, telephone, and many more. Intermediary network devices. Intermediary network devices interconnect end devices. These devices provide connectivity and work behind the scene to ensure that data flows across the network. Intermediary devices connects the individual host to the network and can connect multiple individual networks to form an internetwork. The example of intermediary network devices are router, switch, firewall, wireless router, multiplayer switch. Network media. We have WAN, LAN, WLAN, SAN, and MAN. First, we have the WAN, or what we call the Wide Area Network. Network media. We have the Wide Area Network, or what we call the WAN, the Local Area Network, or what we call LAN, Wireless Local Area Network, or what we call WLAN, the Storage Area Network, or what we call SAN, and Metropolitan Area Network, or what we call the MAN. First, we go to the Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network is a network that exists on a large-scale geographical area. One connects different smaller networks, including local area networks and metro area networks. This ensures that the computers and users in one location can communicate with computers and the user in other location. The WAN implementation can be done either with the help of public transmission system or a private network. Now we go to the local area network, or LAN. The local area network is a computer network that interconnects computer within a limited area such as residence, school, laboratory, university campus, or office building. The LAN focuses on small area only. The wireless local area network, or what we call the WLAN. The wireless local area network is a wireless computer that links two or more devices using wireless communication to form a local area network within a limited area such as home, school, laboratory, computer, laboratory, campus and office building. The WLAN allows the users to move around the coverage area, often a home or small office, while maintaining a network connection. Now we have the storage area network. The storage area network is a secure, high-speed data transfer network that provides access to the consolidated block-level storage. It also makes a network of storage devices accessible in multiple devices. It also appears to the server as attached drive, eliminating traditional network and bottlenecks. Now we have the Metropolitan Area Network, or what we call the MAN. The Metropolitan Area Network is a network that interconnects with computer resources in a geographical area or region larger than that covered by even a large local area network, but smaller than area covered by a wide area network. Intranet is a private network contained within an enterprise that is used to securely share company information and computing resources among employees. It can also be used to facilitate working groups and teleconference. So we have the prefix intra, means external, and therefore implies an intranet designed for internal communication. Inter, as in internet, means between or among. Since there's only one and only internet, and the word internet is capitalized because many internet exists around the world, and the word intranet is lowercase. The extranet is a controlled private network allowing the customer partners, vendors, suppliers, and other businesses to gain information, typically about a specific company or educational institution, and do so without granting access to the organization's entire network. An intranet is often a private part of website. It is restricted to select users through user ID, password, and other authentication mechanism on a login page. The intranet and extranet support two different areas within a business but have similar goals to improve how employees work with clients and each other. Sometimes they exist within the same software, other times separately. Once integrated into business model, these portals can make day-to-day activities more efficient, more streamlined, better connected, and more productive